Alright, what up? Got a new pickup in today from Worldwide Youth. So they hit 100,000 subscribers on their Instagram. They were having this shit for $10, so it was advertised as free, but you just had to pay for shipping, $10. And it finally got here. It took about 3 weeks, so yeah. It's a cool brand. I haven't really bought anything from them, but recently I just found out about them, so and that's about it. So this is a 100,000 subscriber shirt, so let's take a look. Worldwide Youth, recommended, made in Los Angeles, made for the youth. Let's take a look. I'm sure they had to like make so much of these because this was up for 24 hours. So it's a graphic. Check out the graphics. Worldwide Youth. There. In celebration of 100,000 subscribers. Pretty nice shirt. Nice little graphic. $10. Can't really complain. Yep. Made and crafted in Los Angeles. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys bought anything from Worldwide Youth. Leave a comment and subscribe. I got more videos coming in. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.